In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do Bitcoin nails. To start, you're going to need to use a base coat. I use the one that is by Wet n Wild. So apply that to all your nails and let it dry. Then you're going to take any orange nail polish. The one I use is by Avon and it's called Orange Creamsicle. I found this to be the perfect color for the Bitcoin background. Then you're going to need some white nail polish. I use the Rimmel London one that is the French White Tip Pro. It's got the skinny brush, so it makes it much easier to draw on your designs. To begin, I draw a straight vertical line. Then you're going to want to start at the top left and draw more lines and kind of curve them out. So it's like you're creating the letter P. And you want to continue again from the bottom. Try to curve out the lines. Just go slow, take your time. Then you want to make a line at the bottom as well. And from the bottom left, also connect it to make the proper shape of the Bitcoin B. And then you're going to add a second line at the top and a second line at the bottom, and that is the Bitcoin symbol. Next, I take a top coat. The one I use is Out the Door. It's a fast drying top coat. It's really good. So just apply a thick coat of that all over your nail. So as you can tell, I'm really messy when I paint my nails. So after this video, I'm just going to get some nail polish remover and clean up the edges where all the nail polish is on my skin. But yeah, you get the idea. And there you have it. That is Bitcoin nails. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will have more crypto nail tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.